In the very heart of Dubai, and the region's premier destination for residential, commercial, and industrial development, Dubai Investments Park, life finds its way to one of the most attractive spots, VERDANA. A community within a community spanning over an area of more than 42,000 square meters and an artistic manifestation of elegance and high-end living in close proximity to Dubai's attractions, where the world is your backdrop. Designed by your dreams, implemented with man-made contemporary art and a green touch of nature, VERDANA townhouses offer the best of architectural fusions and a living experience that caters to all tastes and needs. To live the best of both worlds in a large oasis of vibrancy, privacy, and pure tranquility. Sophistication in every detail and a beauty that comes from within, where inspiration never fades and imagination is as fresh as the lush greens. Timeless art that vividly speaks of itself, and the finest setting for your everlasting memories. VERDANA, a whole world of flawlessness and a wide spectrum of opportunities at your fingertips within a resort-like community where the perfect day is every day. Surrounded by parks, schools, mosques, and community retails, and all that which makes life a better place. The time is now to experience a new take on fine living and a colorful world of options. To indulge in a world of your own. To work and rejuvenate. And feel at home in a life inspired by you. VERDANA by Reportage Properties, where life is evergreen. VERDANA by Reportage Properties, where life is evergreen.